One of the biggest challenges that freelancers face today is when they publish their gig on freelancing websites, especially on Fiverr, they don't get any order. The problem is not your service that you are offering. In fact, you need to reach your potential clients. So in this video, I am going to share with you 5 strategies that I personally use to promote my freelancing services. Not only this, I will also share with you special tips that made me to start my own website digitcrafter.com. After watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel where I share more and more information about digital marketing, making money online, online business, and much more. Today's video is very important. Therefore, I don't want you to skip any part of this video. Let's begin. Before I continue, please let me tell you 2 important points here. The first one is this video is dedicated to the beginners who want to start their freelancing career and want to promote their gigs. And the second important point is if you are not a freelancer, suppose you are running an online business or providing your services, you can adopt these same strategies to promote your services or online business. So the strategy number 1 is email marketing. What is email marketing? It means sending one or bulk emails to your clients who may be interested in your services. And of course, you don't want to send one email. In fact, we are talking about sending bulk emails like 500 or 1000 per day. As soon as you will start sending emails about your gigs or online service, you will get response and obviously you will get orders. Remember that when you start email marketing, you must start sending emails with your professional email address. Now you may be thinking, what is professional email address? I'm not talking about Yahoo or Gmail. Professional email address represents your service or your company name. Let me take you to my PC and I will show you an example of professional email address and show you the tips how you can create one for yourself. Here is my email marketing dashboard. I am using ConvertKit and you can see I have professional email address info@digitcrafter.com that I use to send newsletters, marketing emails and different campaigns to promote my business. Now the question is how you can create your professional email address like this one. Simply go to my website digitcrafter.com where I have published blog post, a detailed blog post that shows you how you can create your professional email address. Here you may be thinking, why do you need professional email address? Because sending emails from Gmail, Hotmail or Yahoo is not a professional way. When you send email using your professional email, it creates trust in your clients and makes them to think that you are professional in this field. So my suggestion is always use professional email address for email marketing. After getting your professional email address, the next step is getting email addresses. So you can send bulk emails like 500 or 1000, 2000 as per your requirement. Let me show you how you can collect bulk email addresses. For this, go to google.com and in search field write in text @gmail.com and in inverted commas I am going to use SEO. Why am I using the word SEO? Because my niche is related to digital marketing and SEO. I want to target email addresses that are related to SEO category. You may have different niche, so you should target email addresses related to your niche and category. Therefore, I am going to search email addresses that mention SEO word inside email address. Now press enter and here we are. To find the email addresses, search with @gmail.com and you can see here we have different email addresses related to SEO category. The word SEO is either mentioned inside email address or it is mentioned somewhere else. So we have found the email addresses that are related to SEO category. Now next step is to copy all this data including text. For example, we start from here and copy all the data. Okay, that is enough. Copy this data and go to a website aiwebranker.com. If you go down to the email marketing tools, here is email text extractor. Open it and paste all the data that you have copied previously here and click on extract unique emails. You see it found 13 emails from above text. Okay, now you need to copy these email addresses. Click on copy emails. Okay, and go to your Google Sheets. Paste your email list here. By using this method, you can get more email addresses from Google by scrolling down more pages, copy the data, paste it in aiwebranker.com email extracted tool. However, sometimes you need to verify email addresses. For this, you can use AI WebRanker's bulk email verifier tool that will verify email addresses, not only Gmail but also that are related to other domains such as mine info@digitcrafter.com. So by using this bulk email verifier, you can verify and validate email addresses. Another method to get email addresses is by using social media. For example, if I go to my LinkedIn account and click on one of my followers account, and you can see contact info text here. Click on it and here is the email address. Okay, you can simply copy this email address and paste it into your Excel sheet. Similarly, you can get email addresses from Instagram, YouTube channels and other social media platforms. Another option is to use Chrome extension like hunter.io. Okay, you can use this extension to fetch and get email addresses automatically. Now you have the list of email addresses for the audience that may be interested in your services. Once you have the list of email addresses, the next step is to use an email marketing software. For this, you can use any email marketing software. But if you are beginner, you may be sending initially 500, 1000 or 2000 emails. Therefore, I suggest to use such email marketing software that provides this facility free of cost to the beginner. At the start of my video, I told you that I am using ConvertKit to send my marketing campaigns, but I am going to migrate to system.io. Why am I migrating? Because ConvertKit allows you to send only 500 emails, whereas system.io allows you to send unlimited emails. You can also save 2000 contacts in your account. And other than this, you can also create sales funnels. You can create your free blog and post unlimited blog posts. You can also create courses. You can manage communities. You can have free file storage. And all of these you can get in your free account. So system.io is not only an email marketing system. It is an all-in-one solution that provides you all the resources to promote your business or service. However, if you want to go with any other email marketing software, you can go with GetResponse or Brevo or MailChimp or the ConvertKit. But these email marketing softwares provide limited number of emails. Therefore, my suggestion is to go with system.io. And I have told you why do you need to go with system.io. Suppose if you want to use your own email marketing platform in future, you need to start your own business, own email marketing business. So you can download a script from codecanyon.net. As you can see on my screen, codecanyon.net is offering many ready-made scripts for email marketing platform. Mailviz, Mailer, these are all famous email marketing platforms. Okay, you can choose anyone and start developing your own email marketing platform. Once you choose your email marketing platform, next step to import your email addresses from Google Sheets into your selected email marketing platform. To import your contacts, you need to download your Google Sheets file into CSV format. Here is the CSV format, okay? And after downloading your CSV file, go back to your system.io dashboard, and here is the contacts option, okay? Import your contacts by clicking here. When you download or import your contact list into system.io dashboard, after that you can easily send your newsletter campaigns by going to emails section. If I click here on newsletters option and then on click on create, you can see that it has a visual editor. You can also choose different templates as per your requirement. Strategy number 2 to promote your online business or Fiverr gigs is using Quora. What is Quora? Quora is an online platform for question and answers. If you go to Quora, let me show you. 50%, around 50% traffic is coming from USA. You can see here 42.6% traffic is from USA. So it is very good opportunity if you want to spread your services or business in USA region. What you need to do, go to Quora, search questions related to your services. Provide valuable information in your answers. First, you need to create or build your trust with Quora. Don't try to put links directly in your answers, because if you do this, Quora will ban your account. Therefore, I suggest you to post your answers, for example 10 to 15 answers without giving your links regarding your services or online business. When you create your trust with Quora, if you have posted 10 to 15 answers, then you need to post your answers with your links. I try to spend daily 10 to 15 or 30 minutes on Quora. If you go to my Quora profile, and let me show you how I do this. For example, I am going to open this answer. How do I add a favicon to my website? And if you see this, I have posted link of my website here, and you can do the same when you have built your trust with Quora. So the strategy number 2 is using Quora to promote your gig service or online business. Strategy number 3 is utilizing social media. I don't mean that you need to go to Facebook and scrolling and pasting your services links there. No, I don't like this method. What you need to do, go to social media platforms, create your account, build trust, give real value, help people to solve their problems. Don't worry about getting the orders or clients. Believe me, you will get the clients and orders as soon as you try to build relations and try to solve problems of different people. So I suggest you to post daily on social media platforms. If you go to my Facebook account, you can see I posted 1 day ago this post, okay? If you further go down, 1 day ago I posted this post, 2 days ago. Similarly, if you go to my LinkedIn account, I posted 13 hours ago, 16 hours ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago. And similarly, I use my Instagram social media to spread my services. So the strategy number 3 is utilizing social media to spread your services or online business. But again, I advise you not to spam. Just try to make relations, give real value and solve people's problem. You will definitely get orders and clients. Strategy number 4 is content creation. What is content creation? To create content, you need to have a blog and a YouTube channel. If you can't start a YouTube channel, you can simply create a blog. If you go to my website digitalcrafter.com, you can see that I have a marketing blog where I try to give valuable information about digital marketing, SEO, and affiliate marketing. You can do the same. Create your blog related to your services or online business and then get the traffic to your blog from social media or paid advertisement. Now, you may be thinking you don't have information about how to build a blog. Don't worry, simply go to my website where I have published a detailed article about how to build a WordPress website from scratch within 10 minutes. By following the step-by-step guide here, you can have your own blog within 10 minutes. When you create your blog, next thing you need to do is simply publish your services on your blog. If you go to my website, you can see I have published services related to my niche. Just like it, you can publish your services, your online business on your blog. So to sum up, strategy number 4 is creating content related to your service or business. And for this you need to have a blog and start a YouTube channel. Let's move to the strategy number 5. Strategy number 5 is utilizing paid ads. You can use Google, Facebook, Quora to promote your services or business online. But if you are a beginner and have budget problem, that I suggest you to go with free marketing techniques that I have explained earlier in strategy number 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you ask me which platform you need to test paid ads, I advise you to use Quora ads. Why Quora? Because when you answer any question related to your service, you can promote your answer so the audience who is searching for this specific service can connect to you instantly. Therefore, for me, Quora ads are better than other paid platforms. So that's it. I shared with you 5 strategies that I use to promote my services and business. I hope you will also get benefit from these strategies. If you need any information, please comment below. I shall be more than happy to provide my assistance. If you want to share any information, you have tested methods that you want to share with us, please do let us know. If you have liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. That will make me to publish more and more videos about digital marketing, making money online and SEO, affiliate marketing. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you later.